Logical connectors. Why do you want so many books? First, reading is fun. What's more, you can learn lots of new things. As a matter of fact, we use logical connectors to link together two or more related ideas. They're very important for signaling the logical development of ideas in writing and speech. Type, explanation, connectors, example. Starting. To begin a discussion. First of all, in the first place. First of all, expanding our school library would help improve students' learning. Adding points. To introduce more ideas. And, also, to, as well as this, in addition to this, not only, but also, moreover, what's more, besides this, furthermore, in addition, secondly. Not only would it give us access to more books, but also it would be a quiet place for us to study. Generalizing. To make a non-specific statement. In general, broadly speaking, on the whole. In general, most students find it difficult to study at home. Pointing out facts. To give information that supports an idea. Actually, in fact, as a matter of fact. In fact, 80% of our students said they can't concentrate in a noisy environment. Showing similarities. To demonstrate how two ideas are alike. In the same way, just as, so, similarly, likewise, equally. Likewise, 65% of them said they would use the new library to study at least twice a week. Making counterpoints. To demonstrate how two ideas are different. But, yet, however, anyway, while, whereas, on the contrary, in contrast. While the expansion would be expensive, there's enough money in the budget to pay for it. Making concessions. To acknowledge an opposing idea. Nevertheless. Nonetheless. In spite of the fact. Despite that. Despite the fact that. Although. Even though. Though. Nevertheless. We can arrange fundraising events to help cover the costs. Giving examples. To give evidence for what we say. For example, for instance, such as. For instance, we can host an auction for donated items and set up a crowdfunding page. Making conclusions. To make a general final statement. In conclusion. To conclude. To sum up. To sum up, expanding our library would really benefit the school, even though it would be expensive.